सभी लोग राधा सप्तमी ही सब जुड़े हुए हैं। फिर सुबह शाम फिर दोपहर सभी राधा नाम ही अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि यही हमारी साधन।
So we were hearing about Srimati Radhika from past few days. So we'll continue hearing today also.
उसी प्रकार संत महात्मा सदा सर्वदा भगवान की अपराजित गुण कथा श्रवण कीर्तन में लगे रहते हैं।
So materialistic people will be absorbed in the materialistic things, but the devotees who do sadhan bhajan, they'll be absorbed in the Krishna bhajan, kirtan and harikatha. Guru seva, Vaishnava seva will be their life.
श्रीमती राधे के बारे में हम लोग भी बहुत कुछ श्रवण किया। कैसे श्रीमती राधिका बाल वस्त्र में भी इतने पुस्तकों की जो है।
So we were hearing about Srimati Radhika's pastimes, that at the Srimati Radhika's childhood Leela, she used to kill so many demons, like how Lord Shri Krishna, Putana, like how Shri Krishna at his childhood he killed Putana and many other demons. After Putana, whom did Krishna kill? He killed Shakatasur. After that, Trinavarta.
इसी प्रकार कृष्ण भी एक एक करके उसको कैसे बचपन।
So Krishna used to kill like this, one by one, one by one, one by one, all the demons. After that again Agasur, Bhakasur, so many asurs. In the Braj, he performed so many sweet pastimes, like he used to go for cow herding with his friends, and while doing cow herding, he used to do beautiful leelas with Sakas, friends. He used to play with friends, sometime like making sound like frog, sometime making sound like birds. He used to imitate, like how Krishna whenever he is imitating birds and animals, all the birds and animals used to come near Krishna. When he used to imitate like a peacock, all the peacock used to come and stand in front of Krishna. Because Krishna is Lord, Krishna is the Supreme God, Supreme Personality of Godhead. In everyone's heart he is residing in the form of Paramatma. So in the same way, Lord Krishna, whenever he used to perform his leelas, all the animals, birds used to come near Krishna. Like when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came to the Vrindavan, especially near the Vatika, when he came near Bahulavan, behind Mahaprabhu, many deers and cows used to follow. Because the animals have a special thing, Grahan Shakti. Grahan Shakti means smelling power. Smelling power. So these animals used to smell Mahaprabhu and very easily identify that this is Krishna himself. Cow, calf, deer, everything following Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whenever Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to sit, the cow used to come and lick the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, and deer used to come and sit very near to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this way, like how these animals used to come when Krishna was playing flute,
नंदनपात्र विचित्र वेशम अकार्णवेणुरणितं कृष्ण सारा पूजा विरजया प्रणयावलोकन।
Shukdev Goswami Maharaj used to say, "Hey Maharaj Parikshit, Lord Krishna's flute has so much power, it's so enchanting."
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद जब भागवत की कथा सुखदेव परीक्षित महाराज के श्रवण सुनाने लगे, बोलते बोलते उन्होंने बिल्कुल इतने भाव में अभिष्ट हो गया और इतना अभिष्ट में देखा।
So when Sri Shukdev Goswami used to narrate the story of Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj, he was so absorbed in speaking Harikatha that he used to see the deers, Krishna and all. Eta, our Tikakars, commenters are telling Eta. Eta means finger, pointing out. In Srimad Bhagavatam, in many verses, this word Eta is mentioned.
ब्रह्म जन्म भीर अनंत कथा रस। इसका श्लोक है, बताओ है। सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद,
So Shukdev Goswami Pad,
साक्षात दर्शन हुआ और उंगली निर्देश भी कर। देखो ये हिरण की सौभाग्य देखो।
So Shukdev Goswami Pad is describing this male deer and the female deer are so much attracted to Krishna. See what is the fortune of these deers. And Lord Krishna's Govinda's very beautiful form, by having the darshan of this all deer and deers came and sit in front of Lord Govinda. And even Lord Govinda used to love all these animals through his eyes, because these are animals, they cannot speak. And Lord Govinda, he used to touch the back of these deers. So this deer and deers' hearts used to melt when Lord Krishna touched their back. In Ramayana it is said, when Love and Kush came in the courtyard of Sri Ramchandra, when Sri Ramchandra kept his hand on the head of Love Kush, both Love Kush started to cry. That time Sri Ramchandra said, "What is the reason you are crying?" So Love Kush, spiritual master is Valmiki Maharshi. And Valmiki Maharshi gave all instructions to Love Kush. He used to teach. So Maharaj is telling, is there any person whose heart will not melt by touching of his father with love? So Love Kush is telling, the king is father. In the Shastras it is mentioned, the king is as a father. And he is also the representative of God. So when the king, Lord Ramchandra, touched this Love Kusha, their heart got melted. So here it is also telling in the same thing, when Krishna touched his lotus hand on the back of this deer and deers, their heart got melted.
गर्मी के समय से बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं आता।
Krishna Sar is
क्योंकि सूर्य के
like one kind of
ताप
animal,
जो है,
like
किरण जो है वो सहन कर नहीं पाता।
this is called black buck, black bucks.
क्या बोले, स्किन जो है, चमड़ा जो है बहुत पतले होता है।
So
इसलिए
this
सूर्य की
black
किरण
bucks
वो सहन
cannot tolerate so much sun.
छाली पड़ जाए, काला पड़ जाए। हाँ। इसलिए कहते हैं ये कृष्ण सार मेवा है।
So this black bucks,
ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है। शास्त्र में लिखा गया कृष्ण सार मेवा किसी को दर्शन हो तो उनकी भाग।
so whoever in Shastras it is mentioned, whoever have the darshan of this black bucks deers,
अथवा कहते हैं
they are considered to be fortunate.
जीवन की सार क्या है?
एक पति जी को कृष्ण दर्शन मिल सकता है
क्या?
एक पति जी को कभी कृष्ण दर्शन हो सकता है
घटन घटन पटियसी योग में ऐसा भी खा सकते हैं।
So one Ramanand Prabhu asked question, can a
उत्कंठा आदि देकर के
can a Baddha Jeev have the darshan of Lord Krishna in this time? So Maharaj telling,
अपराध नहीं रहे
if there is no offense in the heart,
भगवान दर्शन
if you have utkanta, then Yogmaya can arrange for the darshan also.
संशय की बात नहीं। भगवान में एक शक्ति है जिसे कहते हैं घटन अघटन पटियसी शक्ति।
Gatan, Agatan, Gati ऐसी शक्ति. There are the three shaktis of Lord Krishna.
तत्व के शब्द तो यही लगाते हैं। हम भजन करके भगवान की प्राप्ति करें, ये एक विचार है और भगवान की अहित कृपा हो जाए।
बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं कि हमको भगवत दर्शन हुआ
वाह, अच्छा ही है, हो गया।
So Prabhuji is asking question. So Prabhuji is asking question. Many people say that we had darshan of Lord. So Maharaj is telling, okay, fine. If they had good darshan of God, it is good. What can be done? What can we do?
नहीं, अपराध विधि नहीं रहे, अपराध विधि नहीं रहे,
So there is some conversation going on here.
उससे संशय आ गया है। एक साधारण विचार और एक विशेष विचार। भगवान की जो तो नहीं कुछ दिन नहीं हो तो घटन अघटन पटियसी शक्ति के बारे में हम क्या करें? अचिंत शक्ति है भगवान की जो ये शक्ति है। एक तो साधारण विचार है, भजन साधन आदि करके जैसे भगवत कृपा
One by bhajan sadhan adi, by doing this Bhagavad Krupa, Bhakta Krupa, then having the darshan of the Lord.
कहा जाता है और भक्त
And another is Bhakta and Bhagavan Krupa, where they shower their mercy.
किसके हुआ नहीं हुआ, हाँ, उसके बता
Who had darshan, who did not had darshan, we don't know the answer. If they had darshan, it is good. If they don't have darshan, what can we do? But in the Shastras it is mentioned,
और कोई मन की भावना से कहा दिया तो दूसरी बात।
but in Shastras it is mentioned that how can we identify the person who had darshan or not had darshan. Some people just in the mind they think, they get bewildered by these things.
सदा में भिक्षा में जाते थे। तो वहाँ पर वो क्या बोले, शिव के पिताजी के उनके घर के पास एक व्यक्ति रहा।
So Maharaj is telling, when he was going to Bhiksha in the Braj, before, there was a person.
वो कहते थे कि देखो नित्य हर रोज वो जाते थे, जब रिटायर्ड हो गया वो हर रोज
So that person got retired. He was working in some college. He used to go to Gokul every day.
और दर्शन करके आते थे।
He used to have darshan of Lord Krishna and used to come in the temple. Every day he had a darshan. Like many has niyams, their commitments that today, every day I'll go and have darshan. In the same way, Brajvasis also had their commitments that many Brajvasis do their commitments that every day we'll come to mud, and many Brajvasis do commitment that we'll go every day on the parikrama. In the same way, this devotee also made a commitment that every day he will go to Gokul and have the darshan.
8:45 पर जो है वो आ जाते थे। और 9 बजे हमने ठाकुर जी के
So Maharaj is telling another story, a story inside a story. So he is telling that before, when one devotee used to come to the Mathura Math for darshan every day at 9 o'clock. So some people are here like this. They have the commitment every day to have the darshan. So coming back to the story, the person used to go for Gokul and have darshan, and coming back.
और उस समय वो टूटा फूटा था, ये ब्रिज अभी नया जो बना भी नहीं, इधर पे ब्रिज।
So at that time here there was a bridge in the Yamuna.
नहीं जो पुराना
It was not so good. It was sometimes somewhere broken in between and all.
अंदर हो गया, उसको दिखाई नहीं पड़ा।
So he used to walk there. It was so night at that time. He could not able to see, and he fell down from the bridge. He fell down so down that he did not know how to go and where to go. By doing something, he came up and he crossed the Yamuna, and he came. He saw at that time there was 2 kids standing, and 2 kids said, "Oh Baba, please come to me."
एक रिक्शा को बुलाया,
So these
रिक्शा में बैठे।
2 kids called one rickshaw and sat in a rickshaw, all the 3,
रिक्शा भी कहाँ गए और वो दोनों काम के पता ही नहीं चला।
and they dropped in front of his house.
और आप लोगों का देखिए,
So they
आप
doesn't know where the rickshaw went after dropping, and where these 2 kids went.
और फिर
And at the night time while sleeping, he had a darshan of Krishna Balram in his dream.
कृष्ण बलराम से कोई दर्शन करके बिल्कुल सही नहीं।
So once later he had a heart attack, and having the same darshan of Shri Krishna Balram, he left his body. So people are there who have darshan of Lord in this time also.
भजन करके आए हैं, मथुरा वृंदावन में रह रहे हैं, साधारण बात।
So staying in Mathura Vrindavan doing bhajan is not so ordinary word. Is not an ordinary thing.
ये सब घास के पौधा और सब गेहूं के पौधा एक बराबर नहीं है। समझ में आ रही है?
So
इसलिए सभी लोगों
the
की
grass and wheat grass is not same. They are different. So do not criticize anyone and do not joke with anyone. Anybody can do bhajan in any way. He may have darshan and you may not have darshan. So do not criticize anyone. If you have faith, okay, that's fine. If you do not have faith, then no criticism. Just leave the place.
है कि नहीं है? वकील साहब, उनकी बात तो उनकी लाभ है, मेरे नहीं हुए तो मैं क्या? चलो, हम इसी प्रकार की काफी तारीफ
Coming back to the story.
उस दिन आप लोगों को श्रवण कराया, ये कृष्ण जैसे, हाँ, कृष्ण एक के बारे में हम श्रवण करें, महाप्रभु जब आए और महाप्रभु की अमृत अंश पा करके
So by seeing the effulgence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body, effulgence, all peacock, deer, cow, calf, everything came in front of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Vrindavan.
मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, देखो कृष्ण बंसी बजा करके समस्त पशु पक्षी के निकट में बुलाया और महाप्रभु ने कोई बंसी नहीं बजाया।
So before, Krishna used to play his flute and call all the animals, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not play any flute. Just by the fragrance of his body, all the animals got attracted. This is the speciality. Although there is no difference between Krishna and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is the speciality of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And even in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned very beautifully that how Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to distribute the love of Godhead to everyone. So we were hearing about Srimati Radhika from the various Puranas, Brahmanda Purana, Bhavishya Purana and so many other Puranas. Although in Srimad Bhagavatam, various places Srimati Radhika's glorification is explained,
कहाँ पर आ गया कथा प्रसंग है, यही वेदोक्त के समय ही वह सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद परोक्ष रूप में वर्णन करते।
So Shukdev Goswami very indirectly mentioned about Sri Radhika and the Gopis in the Srimad Bhagavatam, especially in the Venu Gate.
गैर जो लोग भागवत की सेवन करते हैं, भागवत अध्ययन करते हैं, 21 अध्याय में जाकर के
In the 10th canto, 21st chapter,
बारे में कुछ चर्चा करने थे, किंतु डायरेक्ट में कोई गोपियों के नाम तो नहीं लिया।
they had a discussion of Sri Gopis in Srimad Bhagavatam.
इसके कारण भी हमारे आचार्य पाद, विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद
And Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad gives the reasons why Srila Shukdev Goswami is telling in Srimad Bhagavatam like this. Why there is no direct names of Radha and other gopis in Srimad Bhagavatam. In other Puranas it is mentioned, but especially in Srimad Bhagavatam it is not there directly.
राधा आदि कोई गोपियों के नाम नहीं है। इसके दो कारण हमारे आचार्य पाद देते हैं, सनातन
So
गोस्वामी पाद।
2-3 reasons like this Sri Sanatana Goswami Pad, Acharyagan Pad gives
जब राधा आदि गोपियों की महाभावों की कथा सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
when Radha and other gopis Mahabhav's Katha,
होने के बाद
Shukdev Goswami started to narrate this. Or when Lord Krishna disappeared from the Rasa's dance, when Sri Shukdev Goswami was explaining this, especially that how gopis were feeling separation from Krishna, while narrating this, Sri Shukdev Goswami also started to think this Mahabhagavata's gopis' name should be mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. He was about to take the name of Srimati Radhika and other gopis. But Srimati Radhika and other gopis appeared in front of Sri Shukdev Goswami and started to say, "Hey Shukdev Goswami, listen, do not take the name of our directly in Srimad Bhagavatam." Shukdev Goswami Maharaj asked, "Why?" So he said, "Here so many people are sitting, Adhikari and Anadhikari, and they may just joke and criticize. They are not so qualified. Like Karmi, Jnani, Yogi, Mimamsa, so many others. All these people." So in Shastras it is mentioned that for an Anadhikari, for an unqualified person, we should not tell the name, spiritual master's name. In front of unqualified person, never take. So if you want to really tell your Gurudev's name, then with the topmost respect, with topmost worshipable postures, you can take. So Radha and other gopis said to Shukdev Goswami, "Do not take our name." So it is a duty of us to follow the instruction of Srila Gurudev. So Shukdev Goswami Pad started to say, "This is my Gurudev's Adesh." Who is the Gurudev of Shukdev Goswami? Srimati Radhika Rani, because Shukdev is the parrot of Srimati Radhika. So Shukdev Goswami Pad did not take the names directly, he took the names very indirectly, all the gopis and Srimati Radhikas in Srimad Bhagavatam. So Srila Ji Goswami Pad writes, in every shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam, Radha and other gopis' names are mentioned. And even it has been evidenced through the ancient words, something like Prachin, Eta, Anayaradita. So Ji Goswami Pad does the evidence of these all things. This is a duty of love. In the Hindu Shastra, the wife will never take the name of the husband. So in the same way,
दूसरी भी यह भी विचार दिखा सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद राधा आदि गोपियों की प्रेम में इतने विवाहित थे, उनके स्मरण होने के साथ ही साथ सामासिक भवेद मूर्छा.
So Srila Shukdev Goswami Pad, if he had taken the name of Radha and gopis, he had so much love towards them that he would have definitely been he would have definitely fainted for 6 months. That was his love. That when Maharaj is telling one example of our Guru Varga Srila Bhakti Pragnan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, when he went at the place of the Samadhi Sthal of Srila Prabhupada, when he saw that, or when Srila Bhakti Pragnant Keshava Goswami Maharaj used to speak about Srila Prabhupada. Just by telling Srila Prabhupada's name, his voice used to get choked and tears used to flow from his eyes.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Srila Shukdev Goswami Pad,
राधा रानी के स्मरण काल में ही
just by thinking of Srimati Radha and other gopis, he'll be so much having separation from them. All these things have been shown by Srila Rup Sanatan Pad and Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. And Srimad Bhagavatam, it is also known as Parokshavad. Parokshavad means indirect meanings. So, in Srimad Bhagavatam, it is not mentioned directly, but it is mentioning indirectly. It means it has the love and madhurya. Love and sweetness. Like how much ever you hide a thing, if you hide a thing for a long time, we will be very eager to know about the thing. So in the same way in Srimad Bhagavatam also, the loving Harikathas which has been mentioned is very indirect. All these things have been shown by Srila Jiva Goswami Pad and Vishnu Chakravarti Pad and our Acharya Gan. Although in Shastras it is mentioned, especially Srimad Bhagavatam, you have to complete within 7 days, and at the 8th day Takshak, the snake, will come and bite Parikshit Maharaj. Although Shukdev Goswami cannot be affected by any sharp, because Lord himself has protected Shukdev Goswami at the womb of Uttara from the Brahmahastra of Ashwatthama. When Ashwatthama wanted to destroy the Uttara's womb from his Brahmahastra, so Parikshit Maharaj was residing in the womb of Sri Uttara. So Lord, who wanted to protect? If Lord wants to protect, Lord protected himself for Parikshit Maharaj. What this small snake can do for the Parikshit Maharaj, that was his qualification.
तो यही राधा जी की अनेकों तत्व, बाल लीला चरित कथा, तत्व सिद्धांत है, सुबह शाम सुबह, सब वैष्णव लोग हमारे ब्रह्मचारी सब एक एक करके बहुत अच्छा आज ये अच्छा बताया.
So every day Srimati Radhika's Tattva Siddhanta, morning, evening, our brahmacharis also speaking about Srimati Radhika's Tattva Siddhanta.
बहुत सुंदर है सभी, क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है, सभी एब्जॉर्ब रहता है.
So everybody will be absorbed by speaking Harikatha.
इसलिए
We have to speak, even I have to speak after 2-3 days.
याद करना पड़ता है.
So we have to prepare, we have to memorize, we will be absorbed.
बंगला प्यार बोलते रहते हैं चैतन्य चरितामृत से. और ये भी अच्छा बोलते हैं, इसके श्रृंगार भी बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत अच्छा.
So Maharaj is glorifying our Pujari Prabhu in Keshavji Gaudiya Math Shyam Sundar Prabhu.
पुजारी थे, वो अच्छा श्रृंगार करते थे. विमल पुजारी की बात में देखना, इसके हाथ के श्रृंगार जो है अतीब जो है आकर्षणीय, आकर्षणीय समझते,
Attracting.
बहुत अच्छी बात, लगता अच्छा लगता है. जैसे हमारे दिल्ली मठ में वो श्रृंगार करते हैं. हरे कृष्ण.
So Maharaj is glorifying many devotees here.
ऐसे ऐसे ठाकुर जी के श्रृंगार करने वाले ब्रह्मचारी मिले तो अच्छा है. और ये प्रभु तो रसोई बनाते हैं जिससे राधा रानी की हस्तामृत लगता है, बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. भाई जो प्रशंसा की चीज को प्रशंसा करनी पड़ेगा ना, छुपाना थोड़ी पड़ेगा. निंदा को आप शास्त्र कहते हैं निंदा तो मधुर को देते मोहन ध्यान दिया, प्रशंसा में और प्रशंसा होती रंजित हो जाए तो क्या होता है, तो होती प्रशंसा निंदनीय होता है.
So they are having some sweet conversation.
हाँ वो तो दुपलाई हो जाएगा। हाँ नहीं अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता ये सभी यहाँ पर जो है सुबह शाम जन्माष्टमी के बाद मैं देख रहा हूँ सभी है राधा जी के तत्व में है सब अभिष्ट हो कथा कीर्तन चल रहे हैं। महाराज जी की सुंदर सुंदर कथा भी बोलते हैं। तो राधा जी की अनेकों की कथाएं जो है पुराण में।
So in this way, Srimati Radhika's different pastimes have been mentioned in many Puranas. But in Srimad Bhagavatam, we cannot see directly about Srimati Radhika and other gopis. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, Sridhar Goswami Pad, to their commentaries, they explain the detailed meanings of Srimad Bhagavatam and other Puranas. And it is very compulsory, everyone should hear these kathas. How the appearance of Srimati Radhika happened, what is Radha Tattva, all these things you should know. In any sampradaya they do not even think about this Tattva Alochana. Especially in our Gaudiya Math, like Keshavji Gaudiya Math, and in many of the Gaudiya Maths, you will be able to hear these tattvas. Hear these tattvas. In many other tattvas, in many other maths, they also speak about Prahlad Charita and Dhruva Charita. So this is our Gurudev's Vichardhara, Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj's Vichardhara. And many people say, I don't have adhikar. Adhikar will happen when you start trying to think about it, speak about it, hear about it. You have to start. Seven mukh vritti. So seva vritti should happen. If you have seva vritti, then all things will get started automatically. And there is two kinds of parampara, arohavad and arohavad, ascending and descending. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is mentioning here So in Dashamul Tattva, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling this. Evam Guru Parampara Prapta, through the authorized succession of Sri Guru Parampara, the spiritual messages like Bhagavad, Gita, Shastradi Praman, how it should happen? It should happen through our Sampradaya Acharyas authorized. Sampradaya Acharya should authorize this Tattva Vichar. So then the pure thing we will carry in the same way. This Ved, Puran, Shastra, Shlok has many meanings, many meanings. Even in Srimad Bhagavatam, every Shlok has many different meanings. So, if there is many artha, many meanings for the one shloka, which meaning you will take? So, we will take that meaning which our Guru Varga has given. Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, whatever their thoughts, that we will take. This is the real Guru Parampara following.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट ये कैवल्य प्रयोजनम केवला प्रेम कहती हुई कहाँ पर गच्छ होते जा रही, यही महाभाव की राधा जी की सर्वोत्तम है, केवल कैवल केवला प्रेम, केवला प्रेम यानी वैकांतिक प्रेम, और वैकांतिक प्रेम में राधा निष्ठ है प्रेमी की बताते जा रहे हैं। ये समझ तो मुझे दिखाते
So Kevala Prema, one-pointed prema only for Radha Krishna. The Advaitavadi just think merging with Brahma, getting oneness with Brahma, it's not good. The Vastav, there is Upanishad, Shastra, so many things are there.
परमात्मा रूप में से
So they speak about Paramatma Roop, Vishesh.
ये जंग से
But in Srimad Bhagavatam, Ete Chastu Kala Pumsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is Srimad Bhagavatam's speciality.
कैवल्य के प्रयोजन के कैवल्य के शब्द कैवल्य के शब्द
Kaivalya Prayojana. Kaivalya means two meanings. One is getting merged with one is getting merged with Brahma, and another Kaivalya meaning of Kaivalya is only Prema Bhakti,
सर्वोत्तम प्रेम
the love of Godhead, pure love of Godhead.
महाभारत
This is called Kaivalya. So for the Kaivalya there are two kinds of meanings. So Maharaj is giving explanation that how one word has so many meanings. In Srimad Bhagavatam also same things like that. One shloka has different meanings, and we should take the right meaning as our acharyas presented.
शास्त्र की सिद्धांत
So
सांप्रदायिक
in this way
आचार्य
we should take the Shastra Siddhanta Sampradaya Anumodit,
राधा प्रकृति वाली ही करते
whatever the spiritual master have authorized.
हैं। लोग तो यही श्लोक के
That we should
लेकर के
take.
बस, व्याकरण के लेकर के और अनेक प्रकार विचार लेकर के जाते जाते कहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं।
So if you take the grammar of the Sanskrit and if you take the many things,
और वही ब्रह्म
it can't be
लीला को श्रेष्ठ
possible.
मानते हैं।
Just will get merged with Brahma Leela,
ब्रह्म लीला को श्रेष्ठ मानते हैं।
and they think that is
ये
the
तो
topmost.
भागवत में ये नहीं है, विचार ये विसर्जन नहीं है।
But in Srimad Bhagavatam it is not there. This vichar is not there.
इससे
What is the vichar of Srimad Bhagavatam?
नारद
Brahma,
उद्धव आदि
Shiva, Narad, Uddhav Adi.
जिस प्रेम को प्राप्ति करने के लिए जैसे स्थिति आदि का विचार है। तो ये सब तो भी दिखा दे। यहाँ तक भी छोड़ दीजिए।
So all these things has been mentioned.
यहाँ तक भी श्रीमद् भागवत में दसम स्कंध में I think
In Srimad Bhagavatam's 10th canto, 90th chapter,
राधा आदि राधा देवी माने रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि
that Rukmini and Satyabhama and other queens, by seeing the glories of love of Srimati Radhika, they become so vismit. Vismit means आश्चर्य. आश्चर्य means विस्मित को क्या बोलते हैं? आश्चर्य. So they just be so much eager to avail the love of Sri Radhika, all these queens of Krishna.
रुक्मिणी सप्तभामा आदि सभी आए और उधार से जो है राधा आदि गोपियां भी
So in one of the scripture it is mentioned that in a Tirtha Kshetra, this Rukmini, Satyabhama and other queens went to some pilgrimage place, and at the same place Sri Radha and other gopis also came.
राधा जी के दर्शन करें।
So this Rukmini, Satyabhama and other queens, they heard so much glories of Srimati Radhika, and after hearing this in their heart they had a desire to have the darshan of Sri Radhika.
ये बनाए केवल डेरा बनाया है और रुक्मिणी सप्तभामा आदि भगवान इतने उत्कंठित होने लगे जे राधा जी को दर्शन करने के लिए उज्जैन इन्होंने
So they just wanted to have darshan of Sri Radhika. They were very eager to have darshan of Sri Radhika, this Rukmini, Satyabhama and other
जब उसने
queens of
देखा
Dwarka.
दूर से
So
रुक्मिणी,
Krishna had
रुक्मिणी
some
सप्तभामा आदि की
tent
और
house,
राधा जी
like
की
he had some camping
कांति के दर्शन
near that pilgrimage.
बोले दर्शन करके
So
रुक्मिणी,
just from the far
रुक्मिणी
place
सप्तभामा आदि की क्या बोले
they had darshan of Sri Radhika's effulgence. Just by seeing that effulgence, the Rukmini Satyabhama's head started to rotate.
भ्रमण कर गया
Like Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, when they become one, there is a whirlpool, very big whirlpool. In the same way, just by the darshan of Sri Radhika, their head started to rotate.
वर्णन किया गया शास्त्र में।
All these things are mentioned in the Shastras, in the Ujjwal Nilamani Grantha. Srila Rup Goswami Pad has explained in Ujjwal Nilamani Grantha that this just by the Srimati Radhika's darshan it is happening like this. Then what to speak of about other things? In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, Rukmini and Satyabhama are telling themselves.
श्रीमती राधे के बक्षस्थल के कुमकुम रंजित शरण कमल में हमारी रोती हो, हमारे जीवन धन्य हो गया।
In Bhagavatam, Rukmini Satyabhama they are telling the chest of Srimati Radhika's where his and Vakshasthal Kumkum Ranjan and this Radhika's lotus feet. If we have a little rati, our life will be successful. Just by having some rati, little rati on the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, our life will be successful.
जब अनुराग में जो स्थिति हो जाते हैं और उस समय स्थितियां कैसे कैसे हो जाता है, जिसमें महाभारत की जो है वो स्थितियां जो है 6 प्रकार लक्षण भी दिखाई पड़ता रहता है, कल्पत्ते खनत्ते कल्पत्ते ये सब दर्शन।
So Maharaj speaking about many rags, bhav and many other things like this, like how the dasha
बहुवचन के द्वारा करें, ये कृष्ण के साथ गोपियों की जो रास क्रीड़ा आदि हुई कब तक हुआ? एक ब्रह्मरात्रि नहीं, अनेक ब्रह्मरात्रि।
how many days this Ras Krida happened with Krishna, with other gopis? Not one night, many nights of Brahma.
वो समझता गोविंद प्रिया वो लोग कृष्ण के छोड़ करके जाना नहीं चाहते। श्रीमद् भागवत में दशम स्कंद 33 अध्याय में अंतिम कुछ श्लोक में जाकर के वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं। कृष्ण ने अनुमोदिता, कृष्ण क्या करके उनको अनुमोदन किया, नहीं अभी आप लोग अपने गृह में प्रत्यावर्तन करें। किंतु उस समय कितने ब्रह्मरात्रि तक उनके साथ।
So Maharaj is speaking that about the Ras, like how long it went. Although it was so long time, but they were feeling like it was a small one kshana, 1 minute. They are feeling like 1 minute, although the Ras happened so vast long time.
मनुष्य शरीर के द्वारा हमें कृष्ण प्राप्ति और क्या कहते हैं, जितना विश्व ब्रह्मांड हर मदद सभी क्या हो जाता है, वो माने भूचाल जैसे होते हैं, ऐसे होते हैं। राधा जी जब विरह में आ जाते हैं, उस समय स्वयं कृष्ण द्वारका में रुक्मिणी के साथ विराजमान और कृष्ण मूर्छित हो जाते हैं।
So when Srimati Radhika has separation from Krishna in Vrindavan, the Lord Krishna also will have the same separation in Dwaraka, and he also feels so much separation from with Rukmini Satyabhama also. So Krishna feels separation also when Srimati Radhika feels separation. So there are so many things are there, we'll discuss tomorrow. Many things in the scriptures we cannot explain you, just Shastra's evidence. But if you want to know, we have to approach our Guru Varga. What is this beautiful pastimes from the Ujjwal Nilamani Grantha? There are so many stories. What is the personification of Srimati Radhika? The love, Abhisar, Mahabhav and Mahabhav Swarupini Radha. What is the dasha of Mahabhav? So there are so many things like that. By the Guru Vaishnava Seva, bhajans, by doing bhajan sadhan slowly, one of the another life, we will definitely achieve all these things. So if you want to achieve your goal in the spiritual life, you have to follow the 3 things.
जिस लोग के कारण महाराज जी प्रातः काल में ही वर्णन किया।
So this shloka was mentioned by Sri Madhav Maharaj in the morning. In the same way,
वृंदावन की
Radha's one-pointed love and faith,
वास है वृंदावन के सब में राधापत्य, जहाँ पर राधा जी के आधिपत्य जहाँ पर है उस स्थान में ममस्तु में
so Radha Tattva, where there is the influence of Srimati Radhika, we have to stay in that place in Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में राधा जी की जो है आधिपत्य है,
So wherever she has the influence,
शासन में रहते हैं अपने
we have to stay there.
उसी में वृंदावन में व्यवहार है और रसिक जनों की
And having the association of Rasik Vaishnavas,
अमृतमय कथा को श्रवण करने के लिए सौभाग्य प्राप्त है।
we should hear Harikatha from them. If we have a fortunate, we should hear from Harikatha from them, if we have a chance. So we are stopping here, Harikatha, and we'll meet tomorrow morning. Hare Krishna, Dandavad Pranam, Vancha Kalpatarvesha, Kripasindhya, Patitanam Pavanebhyo, Vaishnavyo Namo Namah. Hare Krishna.